In today's video, I'll show you how to use Microsoft Loop to boost productivity and teamwork. If you're already using Microsoft 365, Loop connects seamlessly with tools like Teams, Outlook, and Word, keeping everything in sync. Start by opening the Microsoft Loop app on your computer. If you don't see it, just search for it using your device's search bar. Once inside, you can create Loop components such as task lists, tables, and text blocks. Use the / command or the insert menu to add what you need. The real power comes when you share components. Everyone with access can edit in real time, with updates showing instantly across all devices. This makes it easy to manage projects, track tasks, and collaborate without missing a beat. Whether you're planning a meeting, drafting content, or managing a project, Microsoft Loop helps you stay organized and efficient. Explore its features and see how it can transform the way you and your team work together.